Nanobots, synthetic genes, mind uploading. These are no longer science fiction. They are today's quiet revolutions. Behind the labs and code lies a question older than time. A question whispered through every heartbeat and buried dream. Can we live forever? Or is death the final architect of meaning? They found a means to end death. But what did they awaken instead? What is death but the final question of the soul? A curtain falls, but we try to raise it. The heart ceases, but the mind resists. Is immortality a blessing or a curse? Humanity gazes into the void, unflinching. Death speaks, requiring its entitlement. We run forever, motivated by dread. The soul's nature, does it pass or persist? Science emerges to oppose nature's decree. In seeking this, we solve our own enigma. They resist the end in frozen rooms. Cryonics gambles on a future, yet unscribed. Liquid nitrogen holds their tender bodies. A promise to outlast death's cold hold. Their breath freezes, but hope remains. Vitrification traps life in frozen silence. Will they awake to an alien dawn? Death hesitates, suspended in crystalline frost. The frozen dream of a second chance. Immortality starts in a sub-zero vault. Telomeres fray, indicating life's transient span. Science attempts to repair their frayed ends. Every cell contains a clock counting down. Enzymes whisper secrets of youth that never fade. Death recedes as cells resist the ravages of age. The body struggles to outlast its destiny. Genetic fibers spin an ageless tapestry. Immortality is in the helix's core, but time resists, holding its secrets tight. The clock slows, but never completely stops. The brain, a maze of electric dreams. Neural charts map the self's soft pulse. Scanners pilfer thoughts from human flesh. Every synapse contains a piece of you. Science attempts to seize the spark of the soul. The secrets of the brain shine in silent scans. Death stumbles before a mapped mind. Immortality resides in patterns stored. But is the map really the self? The mind survives, past the body's decline. The soul, a breath in silicon emptiness. Brain downloads promise an endless life. Thoughts flow into a virtual eternity. The self renewed, free from degeneration. Is this you, or an echo of a shadow? Machines host a virtual self. Death is but a bug in the program. Immortality shines in circuits whisper. The warmth of the heart wanes in frigid data. The uploaded resist the dark pull of the grave. Consciousness glows in a coded space. Simulations weave a tapestry of self. Virtual realities hold timeless minds. Is this living or an engineered hallucination? Algorithms echo the soul's weak beat. Death disappears in a digital dream. The self remains unencumbered by flesh. Immortality is in infinite loops of the virtual. Reality falters in simulated rays. Simulations question the ultimate curtain. Ancients attempted to reverse death's spectre. Rituals spoke of immortality. Herbs and incantations to trick the grave. Science returns to their mystical visions. Plants reveal secrets to prevent rot. The past inspires today's unstoppable pursuit. Immortality burns in ancient vials. Death recoils, but never fully yields. Wisdom and science chase timeless youth. The elixir glows with forbidden hope. AI peers into the digital abyss. Memories gathered from scattered fragments. The dead speak through cold machine voices, photos, texts, reborn as ghostly selves. Is this revival or mere mimicry? Algorithms weave a shadow of life. Death falters, outdone by data's reach. Immortality lies in artificial echoes. The heart mourns what code cannot feel. Our eye defies the silence of the grave. Cloning crafts life from a single cell. The body reborn, a perfect twin. Science sculpts flesh from genetic code. Death retreats before a mirrored self. But the soul, does it track the flesh? A clone is alive, but a stranger feels. Immortality exists in copied forms. The heart wonders at the copy's truth. Science tempts to reform the body. Death lurks as clones challenge its hold. Quantum worlds play games with death's finality. Endless worlds contain endless versions of you. In one universe, you never die. The multiverse speaks in whispers of eternal life. Death is a route you never choose. Particles get to dance, determining your survival. Immortality is in quantum's weird web. But consciousness perhaps will not cross the threshold. Science examines the boundaries of existence. Death shatters, lost in endless realms. Humanity cowers before death's cold reality. Denial drives our search for forever. We weave myths to escape the void. Science becomes a shield against fear. The mind refuses to embrace oblivion. Immortality soothes the heart's deep dread. Death's shadow shapes our every act. Technology offers a secular salvation, yet the void whispers, ever unyielding. Denial dares to defy the inevitable. Nanobots swarm, life's unseen saviors. They repair cells, going against the decay of time. Blood is a road for repair. Death's merciless hold contracts at science's hands. Each bot struggles to maintain the self, the reborn body, molecule by molecule. Immortality in their small hands. But mistakes might convert hope into devastation. Nanotech offers a deathless dawn. Death recedes, pursued by microscopic hope. Methuselah's legend fuels a modern dream. Genes hold the key to endless years. Science hunts the code of the ageless. Proteins slow the clock of decay. The body resists time's cruel hand. Immortality lies in genetic mastery. Death weakens, outpaced by biology. But long life burdens the weary soul. The code promises 1,000 years. Science chases a biblical eternity. Memories, the fragile threads of self. The vault captures every fleeting thought. Neural scans build a timeless archive. Death takes flesh, but not the past. Servers hum with lives long gone. Immortality lies in remembered moments. Loved ones linger, but only as data. Science guards what time would steal. The tomb for ghosts alive. Death stumbles, outwitted by memory's store. Stem cells, life's primal engineers. As time demolishes them, they build anew, recreated organs, a look restored inside. The body itself exhales its spark, where death runs well to be overtaken. Cells multiply where they seem to end eternal light on their unlimited horizons. But chaos lurks in their rapid growth. The body thrives, reborn from within. Stem cells challenge the final decay. The soul, a flicker in quantum voids. Science seeks its spark in particles. Entangled states bind life to life. Death becomes a shift, not an end. The quantum soul dances beyond flesh. Immortality lies in infinite realms. But the self can break apart in turmoil. Science explores the frontiers of existence. The soul remains, but how? Death stalls, bogged in quantum fog. Synthetic biology redrafts the old code of life. Artificial cells cheat nature's rot. Organs engineered from human blueprint. Death lossens in the face of made flesh. The body is a palette for immortality. Science sculpts life from raw molecules. Immortality lies in synthetic hearts. But nature resists its artificial rival. The body lives, but the soul questions. Synthetic life dares to cheat death. Consciousness, a flame to be passed. Science seeks to pour the self anew. Minds leap to synthetic or organic hosts. Death falters, outrun by transfer's art. The self remains, but in whose guise? Neurons blaze in a borrowed frame. Immortality is in the mind's path, but identity unravels in passage. Science is bold enough to move the soul. Death recedes, but the self can stray. Technology stretches out to divine fire. Spiritual tech searches for the soul's sacred place. Machines interweave faith with infinite code. Death recedes before a holy merge. The soul takes shelter in pixels' radiance. Immortality is a mix of science and soul. Ceremonies reincarnate in circuits' muted hum. But the sacred escapes cold machines. The heart reaches for sense transcending code. Eternity breaks in a spiritual machine. Have we won the war on death, or only postponed it? Science extends life, but shadows persist. The soul craves a truth greater than flesh. Immortality beckons, but meaning slips away. Every advance gives rise to an even greater question. Death's nature abides, waiting, expansive. Are we immortal, or whispers through time? The heart yearns for an ultimate truth. Science reveals, but the void responds in hush. What is forever if we forget ourselves?